Welcome back to the ArgoViz tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore profile data. Profiles are these dots peppering the map. They are bundles of ocean measurements taken as floats rise to the surface. Yellow dots are standard Argo profiles. They measure pressure, temperature, and salinity. Blue dots are deep Argo floats. They go as deep as 6,000 meters below sea level. Normal Argo floats go up to 2,000 meters. Green dots are biogeochemical profiles. In addition to the standard measurements, these profiles measure things such as dissolved oxygen, chlorophyll, and more. Each profile has a name comprised of its platform or float number and its cycle number. As you have already seen, clicking a dot will pop up a dialog window showing the float's meta information. To view the profile data, click on the link to Profile page, which will generate a new page. Let's see what this profile has to tell us. The page contains the profile's metadata, shown in this table, along with some links to the official data source here. We will visit the platform page link in another video, and you can return to the main page here. Below we have three charts: pressure versus temperature, pressure versus salinity, and temperature versus salinity. These charts are made with the Plotly library, which allows some interaction, such as zooming, panning, and more. Try playing around with different views yourself. Whoa! Where'd my data go? Pressing this house icon resets the view if you got lost. There it is. You can download this view by clicking on the camera button. I can now add this profile to a scientific publication, a presentation, or my scrapbook project. The data comprising these charts is available by clicking this button. The data used to create this page is all here. The JSON format keeps the data in these squiggly brackets. You can think of JSON as a bundle of key value items. The key is the name, and the value is the data. For example, the station parameters are the parameters this profile has measured, and the measurements are the samples taken along the water column. Let's take a step back to the profile page. We can also download data by editing the URL up here. Page tells my app to send you HTML. If a page isn't included, then ArgoViz will send you JSON by default. This is an example of how RESTful apps work. You don't have to know what that means, just know that all the routing can be done using the URL and allows access to the app without the need to point and click buttons manually. Now you know how to select, view, and access profile data. In the next video, we will look at all the profiles bundled together for a single float,